In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your work for beginners using Microsoft Planner in Office 365. Microsoft Planner is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and improving team collaboration, seamlessly integrated within the Office 365 suite. To get started, log into your Microsoft 365 account and open the Planner app. Once you're in, create a new plan. Think of it as a central hub for your project or workflow. Give it a clear name that represents its purpose. If your organization already uses Microsoft 365 groups or teams, you can link your plan to an existing group for better collaboration. Use buckets to divide your plan into categories or phases, like project stages or task types. Within each bucket, add tasks and include important details such as task names, due dates, and assignees. Assigning tasks helps everyone understand their responsibilities and stay on track. Be sure to set start and due dates to meet deadlines efficiently. You can easily track progress by marking tasks as not started, in progress, or completed. Planner's charts give you a visual overview of your progress, helping you stay organized and identify bottlenecks quickly. Attach relevant files or documents to tasks so that everything your team needs is in one place. Use labels to categorize tasks by priority or project type, and filters to view tasks based on due dates, members, or other criteria. For scheduling, the calendar view is a great way to visualize upcoming deadlines, while the Planner Hub gives you a full dashboard of all your plans. You can even sync your planner schedules with Outlook to manage your time more effectively. Lastly, use Planner's built-in chat and comments to collaborate directly with your team, keeping discussions organized and within the context of your projects. By following these steps, you'll be able to streamline workflows, stay organized, and boost team productivity using Microsoft Planner in Office 365.